Welcome to Brandidawn's Kitchen. Today's episode we are making stemmed chocolate covered cherries. It's easier than you think to achieve gourmet chocolate covered cherries for any occasion. Let me show you the process. You will find the recipe link in the description below. First, strain the cherries in your sink and then transfer them to a rack to allow them to dry. In a mixing bowl or using a stand mixer, combine butter, sweetened condensed milk, cherry juice, almond extract, and cream of tartar. Sift your powdered sugar before adding to the mixing bowl. I like to add this in 2 doses. Scrape down the sides and then add the remainder of the powdered sugar. The fondant will be pliable but not super sticky. You can check it by pressing it between your fingers. If it sticks, add more powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time. Using a kitchen scale, measure approximately 0.3 ounces of fondant to wrap around each cherry. Prepare a parchment paper lined sheet pan so you can easily transfer the cherries to the freezer when needed. Form the fondant into a smooth ball and then flatten into a circle. Next, set a cherry on top of the circle and then bring the edges up around the cherry and seal the edges together. Leave an open area around the stem to ensure the chocolate will seal the liquid inside. Roll the fondant covered cherry between your fingers to smooth the edges. Approximately halfway through wrapping the cherries, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your chocolate in an oven-proof bowl. Place it in the oven, then turn the oven off. Continue wrapping cherries, then check on the chocolate using a digital thermometer. When the temperature of the chocolate reaches 88 degrees Fahrenheit for milk chocolate or 91 degrees Fahrenheit for dark chocolate, remove the chocolate and stir. You can also heat the chocolate using the double broiler method or your microwave. Dip each cherry and go up the stem about 1 inch. This will ensure to seal the liquid inside the chocolate. Place the sheet pan in the freezer for approximately 10 minutes. Reheat your chocolate and remove your cherries from the freezer. Dip the cherries one last time and return to the parchment paper. Then let set at room temperature for at least an hour, but preferably 3 hours before placing in a container. For step-by-step instructions on tempering your chocolate using the 3 methods mentioned, please find the link in the description below. This is what the cherry looks like on day 1 of making them. Store the completed chocolate-covered cherries in a glass or plastic sealed container at room temperature, preferably in a dark area like under the counter, out of sight, and allow the centers to turn to liquid anywhere from 2 weeks for this recipe. This is a chocolate-covered cherry at day 14. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more detailed videos, and pin us on Pinterest.